What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you the only correct way to pick a fig. If you are not picking a fig like this, you are getting terrible results. I am a gigantic fig lover. Over the years, I have collected more than 100 trees. They are all over my yard, both in ground and in containers. Yet it pains me to see how many people growing figs are not harvesting them properly, and because they're picking them so early, they have probably never had a truly delicious fig in their life. The mistake I see many fig growers make is they harvest the fruit when they see it start to swell, change color, and become soft. The reality is that depending on how warm your climate is, the size of the fig, and the variety that you're growing, it will take anywhere from another 3 to 10 days to become properly ripe at that stage. To the untrained eye, this fig right here may look like it's ripe. It has changed a completely different color than this unripened fig. It is double the size, and it starts to feel really nice. But if I were to actually pick this, at the tip right here, you will start to see latex sap that will begin to drip. And this latex sap is a huge indicator that this fig is not ready. Look at that little dot right there. That is an unripened fig. There you can see the sap on the tip of that stem right there. This is caustic stuff that you don't really even want to touch. Now watch what happens when I break this fig open. Ugh. That interior right there is bone dry. I cannot tell you how many fig harvesting videos I've seen where the grower breaks open a fig and it looks like that. This fig was probably an entire 5 days or more away from being properly ripe, and because of that, there's going to be almost no sugar development. Oh. That was absolutely disgusting. I had to actually spit that out because it tasted like nothing but astringent fig latex sap with an undertone of melon. That's another thing. If you are finding that your figs taste like melon, they are almost certainly underripe. Unless you're growing just a very plain honey fig, it should taste like way more than melon. This is what a truly ripe fig should look like. You can see it actually looks overripe to the untrained eye. And from that eye of the fig, it's actually dripping this liquid. We call this fig honey. There's this drop on the bottom right there. That is a sign. Ooh, you can actually see the fig honey oozing in that eye right there. And it feels like mush. This is a sign that this fig is actually ready for picking. Oh, it is so ripe that it couldn't even pull the stem off. Just look at that gooey goodness in there. You'll also notice a bunch of cracking on the skin. That is another good sign that the fig is actually ripe. So let's break this open and see what's inside. And oh my goodness, look at the difference of the interior. It is like a pool of strawberry jam in there. That looks absolutely amazing. This is what a properly ripe fig should look like. It should look like a jammy pool of some type of fruit preserve inside. So let's actually give this beauty right here a taste. I can't wait to see what this tastes like. This tastes like straight strawberry preserves out of a jar. If you were to buy strawberry preserves and just dig the spoon in, this is what it would taste like. This is a real fig. And if you haven't had a fig ripen to this level, you are missing out on life, my friend. Life-changing fruit right there. Life-changing. And that is how you properly ripen a fig. Before I had a truly properly ripe fig, I wasn't a big fan. But once I tried one, it literally did change my life, and that is why I have this massive fig collection now. I'm a figaholic because that is a life-changing piece of fruit. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip.
If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.